Good morning and welcome to your movement wake up session. I'm Susan Booth from Alive Fitness and I'm going to take you through just a 15-minute wake your body up movement session. It's mindful movement mixed with Pilates and some nice deep stretching to get your body moving nicely in the mornings. So please enjoy. Start by standing in a perfect Pilates position. Just place your heels together, your toes are apart. Look down, glance down at your toes so you become aware of those first thing in the morning. Just give them a little wiggle. Then level the feet up so they're nice and straight, and that's your perfect hip width apart. Draw your belly button into the spine and just tilt the pelvis forward and back, feeling your spine this morning, what it feels like. So from the side you'll see I'm tilting the pelvis forward and backwards. If you feel more comfortable by bending the knees slightly at this is fine by me. Okay, now start with a little circle of the hips. Just rotate round. Feel the back warming up, side of your thighs and hips, and then change direction. I'm going to start with some nice deep breathing. It's a really good way to start the day. Just leveling out those cortisol levels. You take a deep breath in as your arms go up to the ceiling. Breathe out as the arms come back down. Try and breathe in through the nose. And exhale through the lips as if you're blowing a candle out. Let's continue with that. Now lift up, looking at the hands as the hands go over the head. Drop the chin to the chest so we start to stretch the neck as well. Shoulders are relaxed. Try to think of the movement, not what you've got to do today. It's only 15 minutes. Breathe in. And exhale, breathe out. Take the arms to the side so your fingertips are facing the screen. Draw those tips together and then open the chest. And tip to the side. Into the centre, fingertips together, open and then tip. So reach that arm down by the leg, shoulders are relaxed, opening that chest, ready for today's tasks. Reach. And one more time, in and out, nice and steady. Start the day. Open those chests. Release. Hands on the hips, tilting the pelvis a little bit more now. Feeling if it's loosened off a little bit and through that spine at the lumbar part, the lower part of the spine. Start to roll one shoulder backwards. And as you do that, step back with that leg. And then turn around, looking at the hands, slowly rotate the body. Then lift the heel up at the back as you do that. Reach up, rotate round, drop that heel down. Breathe in as it comes forward. Breathe out as it goes back down. Reaching up. Okay, this time we're going to hold it up, looking at the fingertips above your head. And you're on the ball of the foot at the back, so you can feel your heel is lifted and you're stretching the bottom of the foot out. Drop down. Change sides, so start to roll that shoulder first, then bring into the elbow. And then step back with that leg. And then start to rotate. Put your hand on your hip on the other side. So your hips are twisting, just let the body go. Breathe in. Breathe out, continue those slow, long breaths. Breathe out. Keep your eyes on your fingers, up onto the toes, lifting. Lowering the heel as the arm comes back. Lift the heel, rotate, drop the heel. And lift and hold it this time, looking at the fingertips, ball of the foot at the back, stretching the bottom of the foot. Fantastic. Really good. We're going to step behind now with the right foot. Take the right foot behind. We're going into a yoga pose. I'll just go this way. So, your foot is flat on the back and your knee is bent. Take your arms up into the T position. Look down the fingers, not at me through the screen. I'm just going to bend the knee and then straighten the knee. And bend and straighten. Now you can do the arms now to put the palms to the ceiling, and as you go down with the knee, bring your arms up. Breathe out as you take them back. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Try and maintain that body weight in the centre of the legs. One more time. Reach up and back. Now, grabbing the back leg, take this arm up to the ceiling, looking at the hand, knee bent at the front, or you can straighten the leg if you want to. Your choice. And relax. Change sides. So again, bending that front knee, arms are in a T position, looking down that middle finger. We bend the knee, we lift the hands up, palms together, down, and lift, tight through those legs, and down, and lift, and down. Nice. One more time, we're going to hold it there, and then tip back. Straight leg at the front if you can, or you can bend it if it feels more comfortable for you. Look at the hand, reach back, grabbing that leg, tight through this buttock. Okay, we're going to just perform a few balance exercises. This is a really good way to wake up the glutes. So back into your standing position. Transfer the weight from one foot to the other. You need a little bit more weight now. Now stand in one foot. So stand on that side. Soften the knee on the supporting leg, and you're going to rotate. Now if you feel uncomfortable with doing this, you might want to hold on to something at the side. Try and maintain it so that your left foot doesn't drop down to the floor, if you can. Okay, hold the knee up now. We're going to hold the balance for 30 seconds. You stay here for level 1. Level 2, take the leg behind. Level 3, tip forward into the T, arms are lifted, head looking down. Hold it there. Turn around again. If you're in this T position, make sure the arms are nice and wide, looking down at the floor. Maintaining that balance. Focus, concentration. Great stuff. Return. Get back into that parallel position. Looking down at the toes. Circling the knee. Lifting through that hip joint. Really focusing on those buttocks, tightening them up. One more time, hold the knee up. Tummy tight. Level 2, you can just take the leg behind here. Or level 3, start to tip forward, taking the arms out into that aeroplane position, looking down at the floor, lifting up that leg at the back if you can. It doesn't have to be straight. Drawing that belly button into the spine. This is really going to help you to balance. And relax. Just give yourself a little shake now. Well done. Wake up that morning.